My name is Jenny Chamlagai and I am 13 years old. I am a student of 8th grade from Bhaktapur Nishi School and the topic of my presentation is marigold extract as mosquito repellent. These are the contents of my projects: introduction, objectives, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion, reference, acknowledgement. Introduction. Plants are known as one of the primary source of natural bioacting agents. Marigold flower is cultivated, harvested and used for worshipping, decorating, etc. purposes in Nepal. Marigold flower consists of natural products like essential oils, flavonoids, carotenoids, tannins, saponins, etc. Mosquitoes are important vectors of diseases. An insect repellent is a substance used to repel or kill the insect. Mosquitoes causes some of the serious diseases like yellow fever, dengue, malaria, etc. We can also use mosquito repellent to kill the mosquitoes. Objectives: to make repellent from marigold flowers, to make organic repellent, to make it cheaper. Methodology: first, we need to collect 100 grams of marigold flowers from our garden and set dry the collected flowers. Then, we need to soak the dried flowers in 250 ml of petroleum ether for 3 days in the absence of the sunlight. Then, we need to filter the mixture of solvent and flowers by using Wattman number 1 filter paper and mix the filtrate with 80% methanol. Then shake the mixture vigorously and let it to settle so the filtrate will be separated in two layers. Then we need to isolate the upper layer solvent with pyrethrin from the mixture, and the solution should be concentrated by using a rotary evaporator. Finally, the extract will be ready to be tested by making different concentrations. Results and discussions. The wasted flowers can be used to obtain the extract of pyrethrin. The obtained extract will be tested by HPLC chromatography and the extraction will be done by using rotatory evaporator, which is cheap, and the formed organic repellent will be cost effective. The formed repellent will be cheaper and less harmful to human lives than the repellents which are made by chemical reactions. The flower extract will be active biological effects on mosquitoes as repellent. The normal growth of mosquitoes will be paralyzed by the pyrethrin affecting directly on the nervous system of the mosquitoes. We can commercially make the repellents. There are various types of mosquito repellents which are synthetically prepared, so it is better to use repellents extract from marigold flowers which have no adverse effects on the human life as compared to synthetically prepared mosquito repellents. Conclusions. The marigold flowers which are wasted can be used to extract the pyrethrin. The simpler and easier method can be used to extract pyrethrin, that is by using rotary evaporator. The formed repellent from pyrethrin can be cheaper. Due to the organic nature of pyrethrin, it can be less harmful to life. The formed mosquito repellents from marigold flower will be effective to kill mosquitoes. Reference. These are the reference from which I created this project. Acknowledgement. Firstly, I would like to thank Asian Pacific Conference of Young Scientists to hold this program and Nepal Polymer Institute to let me know about this program, and my advisor Utsav Luitel to help me prepare this presentation, and my family to help me and encourage and support me. Thank you.